welcome back to another video. One of my most favoriteest videos thus far this year is the completion of my girl cave slash office space. I hope you enjoyed today's video. I want to preference the furniture pieces. The furniture, 2 chairs, the couch you'll see in the video, and the desk is from biglots.com. You have to order it on their site. I will make sure I link it down below in the description bar in case, I don't know, you want to snag you one of these or something. Let me just say that it is perfect furniture for what I'm using it for, a girl cave that does not get a lot of traffic like a family room or like the household living space. This furniture is absolutely perfect for that, in my opinion. The desk is small enough for me in size that it doesn't take up literally hardly any space. You'll see that in the video as well. There's a lot of clips that didn't make it to the video only because they got lost somehow. I don't even know, but I did a whole decorate with me. I'm talking every single detail, and a lot of that footage got lost. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Leave me a comment down below and let me know, how do you like our new girl cave slash office space? I absolutely love it. In fact, when this video is over, I have a movie lineup ready for moi, okay, to enjoy. And I will catch you guys in the next video. Make sure you are subscribed to this channel. Make sure you give me a like, thumbs up the video, turn your bell on, all that jazz. And in case you're new here, I'm Sharon. Welcome to a wonderful, wonderful family here on the YT. And yes, let's jump into today's video. Bye. Okay, so this is where we are to start. Have stuff everywhere, as you can see here. And I really don't have anywhere to set you guys up at to watch me install the new wallpaper. But if you remembered, I think I did record me putting this wallpaper up, and it's going to be the exact same technique. So say goodbye to our beautiful wallpaper and say hello to
the world forward, 2 steps backwards, yeah. Immature lover who don't use big words, yeah. I don't need convincing at all because I know what I want. Baby, can't you figure it out? What's going on in your heart? What's it gonna take for you to love, take for you to love me? What's it gonna take for you to show, take for you to show feels, yeah. I've been trying to take it slow, but my patience low. Think it's time you let me know. What's it gonna take for you to love, take for you to love me? Yeah. Summer's over, still getting nowhere, yeah. If winter blows here, baby, I fear we gon' disappear. Do you even want me? Do you even worry that I'm gonna love somebody else? Do you think about me when you're feeling lonely by yourself? What's it gonna take for you to love, take for you to love me? What's it gonna take for you to show, take for you to show feels, yeah. I've been trying to take it slow, but my patience low. Think it's time you let me know. What's it gonna take for you to love, take for you to love me? Yeah. One step forward, 2 steps backwards, yeah. Time's about run out to use those big words, yeah. I don't need convincing at all because I know what I want. Baby, dig deep, it's time to make a move on my heart. What's it gonna take for you to love, take for you to love me? What's it gonna take for you to show, take for you to show feels, yeah. I've been trying to take it slow, but my patience low. Think it's time you let me know. What's it gonna take for you to love, take for you to love me? Yeah. All the plans you made in your heart grew just to die. And now your damaged goods, damage should have never been. Thought you were bulletproof, look at you, what happened? Did she hurt you? Are you okay, baby? Everyone gets hurt, that's how we learn to make love work. It's part of life, but if you need a lullaby, baby, don't cry. wondering why we couldn't be. Ooh. And now that you're alone, you're on my phone, running game. But maybe, baby, when it settles in that you're to blame, we could move on, pick up where we went wrong, baby. Everyone gets hurt, that's how we learn to make love work. It's part of life, but if you need a lullaby, baby, don't cry no more. Just let her walk out your door. Baby, don't cry. Future, all the plans you made in your heart grew just to die. And now your damaged goods, damaged should have never been. Thought you were bulletproof, look at you, what happened? Did she hurt you?